Hello everyone, it's Finance Eddie, and today we woke up to an absolute bloodbath in the crypto markets. We're going to go into the charts to see exactly what happened, what the new resistance levels are, what the support levels are, and what we can expect the Bitcoin price to do going forward. I'm also going to tell you what happened to my trade, if I got liquidated or not. Well guys, starting with what happened, we see that in the past 24 hours, Bitcoin is down 11%, Ethereum 12%, Binance Coin 12%, XRP 24%, Tether, DOGECOIN is actually up 1%, which is absolutely crazy. I didn't expect that. Cardano's down 16%, polkadot 17%, Litecoin 20%, and Uniswap about 17%. So as we can see, between 10 and 15% drops for everyone across the board. Well, we're going to focus on the Bitcoin charts so that we can actually see what happened here. And as you see, here is the rising wedge that I was talking about in previous videos. And if we zoom in, we had this massive breakout towards the top, which was supposed to take us all the way up to about 69,000 US dollars, and we did get a strong breakout as well as a confirmation, but we did not actually break out past the previous opening point. So we failed to retest the previous breakout, which means that actually we didn't have all of the trading signals here, even though I decided to open a trade at this level. Well, on the way down, and as well I was mentioning it in the videos, if we were to break back into this rising wedge, that's a very, very bullish scenario. So I actually set a stop loss at about 59,000 US dollars in case it was here, because I knew that at that point we're breaking below the rising wedge and we actually get the negative target starting to manifest. And as you can see, we broke down, and we really broke down. We broke all the way down to about 51,500 US dollars. And guys, well, it just so happens that instead of breaking towards the upside, we broke towards the downside. But you might be asking, well, why did we break down here and not all the way down? Well, let me bring up the volume profile for you. Well, what the volume profile here, we see that we have two massive levels of volume. We have levels over here, which are between the approximately 54,000 all the way up to about the 58,000 US dollar mark, right? As you can see here, there's a lot of trading volume happening there, but we also have a second massive level of resistance between the 50 and the 45,000 levels. And well, guys, right as we started to hit in the second resistance level, or where we have a lot of trading volume happening, well, a bunch of people who are willing to buy at these levels came in, and we do see that the bulls fought back. This was a very bloody drop of approximately 15%, and now it's all the way back down to just 8.7%, which is still a big drop and still very unfortunate. But this is why we've only gone down to this level, and we didn't go all the way down to the level of 49,360. And as you can see here, we are now currently in this part of the volume profile. And in order to go higher, well, we would need to see a breakout above this volume level. So that comes at approximately, well, let's just say 58,500. Let me zoom in for you. We see here this green candle wicked actually exactly at where this volume profile starts and ends, and it means that we're probably going to stay between these two levels for a little while, and we would need to wait because currently there is no pattern on the chart, right? We've already hit this price target towards the bottom of this rising wedge, so this rising wedge is now kind of, the pattern is over. So now really the only thing we have to base ourselves on are kind of the EMA ribbons, the volume profile, which I've explained, and well, we do still have the Fibonacci retracement levels. So let's just go through the list one by one to try and get some kind of price targets. So if we take it from the top of the pattern around here and we go down to the bottom of the pattern, well, the 1.618 is still at around the 74,000 US dollar mark. However, because we are now kind of in this range here, which if I just delete this rising wedge here, you see that we are currently in the 0.23 level, and well, I would hope to see us go back to the 0.618, which is the golden ratio here. But as always, guys, if you look at the volume profile here, well, you do see that it kind of hits right in the golden pocket between the 0.618 and the 0.414, which I actually don't have on this chart for whatever reason, but it would be around here. So this is kind of the golden pocket right here, which is right where the massive amount of volume is. So we would need to break above the 0.618 level to continue this rise towards the upside. However, because this rising wedge is now over, we actually do not have a price target anymore at this point, and we really do need to wait for a new pattern to start to form from here. The good news is that we did get a massive pump up and the bulls are fighting back. So let's go down to a lower time frame and see if we can actually find any kind of short-term pattern. Well, guys, as you can see, you would kind of need to force it a little bit, but if you were to join the wicks on the downside and as well this kind of resistance level towards the top, and guys, this is on the 15-minute candle, so I would not really make any massive trades about this, but this would be ending within the next hour. It's currently 11 a.m. in the morning in Europe. Well, this would give us a price target of approximately, let's see what that would take us up to, and we should still see this price swing today. Well, that would either take us back to the 62,000 or towards the 49,000 US dollar levels. Guys, I personally don't think that this is going to manifest just because, well, we do have kind of very short-term charts here, and I'm not liking the low amount of touch points that we have here. So I would not be trading based on this pattern. But, you know, if you guys want me to show you stuff in the chart, I will show you stuff in the chart. So what is the real plan here? Well, we should be patient now, and I hope that you guys took my advice and actually got out of your trades in the moment that we broke below this massive rising wedge, because that was the moment to kind of cut all ties, take whatever profits you had, and just get out of the trade, because we would be going back down further like this. So guys, if you want the updates in the moment that I'm sending them out, please, you need to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss out and get caught in these massive wicks down without knowing how to prepare for them. And last, but certainly not least, we're going to look at the EMA ribbons, and I'm going to show you that this indicator, which has absolutely been amazing, has shown us actually a bearish flag as well. So we should have seen this coming in the moment that it flipped. If you see here, every time this EMA ribbon flips from the short term crossing under below the long-term one, well, we do enter this kind of bearish area, and every time you have the opposite happen, so the short-term flips above the long-term, we have this massive pump towards the upside. Well, guys, unfortunately here, we did get a pretty strong flip of the EMA ribbon, which happened within, I think, like 1 day time. So this kind of happened very, very suddenly, and you do see here that we have a massive spike towards the bottom, and we will most likely see a bit of retracement happen over the next few days, and I think we're going to stay in around these levels here between the 58,000 and the 54,000 levels as shown by the volume profiles earlier. So guys, as always, after the pattern is before the pattern, and now we are currently waiting for the new pattern to form on the charts, and hopefully it's going to be another opportunity to open a very, very, very profitable trade. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you got smarter with me today, please go ahead and smash that like button so YouTube knows to send this video out to more people. And if you like this and you want to get more content from me in the moment that I'm making these videos, make sure to smash up that subscribe button too and hit the notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if we can get to 130 subscribers, that would be absolutely crazy, man. We've gotten so many subscribers in the past few days. I'm on the moon. The coins might not be on the moon currently, but I'm on the moon. Thank you guys so much for making this community awesome, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.